Hi guys, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela WebDev. In this video we will learn about the how we can access the file modification time or particular file modification time using the find method. So using the find method also we can able to find a file so which has been accessed 30 minutes ago, which have been accessed 2 days ago, and which has been modified 30 minutes ago. So like that you can have a filter using the find command. So let's try to see this one. So if you try to see man find of this one, I will try to show you man find, and if you press enter, so you will be able to see these all the things. And in the options, if you try to see here at the bottom, when you try to go down, maybe we can find it or not, I don't know. Global options, ignore version test. Yeah, here you'll be able to see a min access min, a newer, a time access, so c min, c newer, c time, and you will be able to see the m also. So here you will be able to see m min, m time. So like this modification, change, and also the axis also you will be able to see. So these are the options which we can use it in the find command in order to find the or filter out the files based on the access time or modification time or the change time. So I will try to show you some simple examples so that you can able to understand it very easily. So right now we are on the timestamps, right? So I will try to create a couple of files. So which was created 1 week ago, 1 month ago, 3 months ago, like that. I will try to show you. So for example, let's say that I am creating one file. So that is touch just now.txt file. So just now it has been created. So just now. So it has been created. ls-l if you try to see, it has been created on April 24, 1020. Okay, fine. So now another file I will try to create, touch. Okay. So here I will create 10 minutes ago. Okay, 10 minutes ago.txt, and here I can give a date, something like 10 minutes ago. So like this we can create it. Now if you try to see the ls-l, so it has been created in 1011. Okay, fine. So like this I will try to create another one, something like 1 week ago. Okay, so 1 week ago, and here we can write something like 1 week ago. So this is also created. So like this I will go on create another one is something like 1 month ago. 1 month ago, and here you can write okay. And if we try to see the ls-l, so these are created in March 24 1 month ago and April 17th 1 week ago. Fine. So these are creating as expected. So now 1 month ago, and I will try to create another one, something like 3 months ago. 3 months ago, and here I can write 3 months ago. So if you try to see the ls-l, so it has been created on January 3 months ago. Fine. So these things are less enough. So now I want to access these files. Find -mmin. Okay. So mmin. I want to find the files something like +30. So +30 means which has been created 30 minutes, more than 30 minutes. So 30 minutes, more than 30 minutes. Now if I try to see here, so now 1 week ago, 1 month ago, 3 months ago, and leela.txt, so we are able to get these files that are created 30 minutes ago, more than 30 minutes ago. Now if I want to get only exactly 30 minutes ago means, so you need to give it like this. So exactly 30 minutes ago we don't have any file. So if I try to give something like 10 minutes ago, so then also we are not getting. Why? Because this 10 minutes ago already that time, some of the time has been passed out. So fine. So now what I want to do it is, so here if I want to get it less than 30 minutes means I can use -30. So then I will be able to get just now.txt and 10 minutes ago. So these are created below 30 minutes. So like this you can able to access this one. So like this you can able to find it. Now not only this one, for example, let's say that I have accessed this 1 month ago. Okay, so I have accessed this file. Right now this file is entirely empty, but I have accessed this file. So now I want to check this file, something like find -. So this one is accessed, right? A-min. So you can use it A-min, which has been more than 30 minutes ago, which has been accessed more than 30 minutes ago. So these are the files which has been accessed more than 30 minutes ago. Now less than 30 minutes ago means then you will be able to get 1 month ago this one. So here you will be able to get 1 month ago, see, or otherwise let's say that I have been accessed 5 minutes ago, let's see. So then I am able to get just now.txt, 1 month ago.txt, we are able to get it. So just now.txt means it has been created only 5 minutes ago, right? For example, if I try to give 2 minutes ago, then I am able to get only 1 month ago.txt. So this is how we can able to find the files or filter the files using the access time, change time, and also this what I want to say is modification time. So apart from this minimum, so we are giving 30 minutes level, right? We can also give in the time level. So for example, let's say that find -m time. So you can give here time, and here you need to give in the 24 hours time. For example, if you are giving 1 means +1 means which has been created more than 24 hours ago. So the days concept. So these are the 3 files which has been created 24 hours ago. So if I try to give more than 7 days means, then you will be able to get only 1 month and 3 months. 1 week ago has been gone. So like this you will be giving in the days ago. So like this is used in the days, and min is used in the minutes level. So these are the files which you will be able to see. And before closing this one, I also wanted to explain you another concept, that is nothing but logical operators in the find. For example, let's say that I am having a find. So I want to check it in the home page. So I want to check all the files which is a type file, and or otherwise -name which starts or ends with Leela. Okay, so I have used it like this. So this is the file I want to check it. Now if you try to see here, I am able to find all the files. So but here I want to access only the -type D. Okay, so the directory is this one only. But if I try to want to access the F, so you can access it like this. So here if you try to see the find and -name and the -type F, so these two are being used as the AND operator. So that means which should have a name Leela, and it should be a type of file. So AND we are using. So that means in the middle we can also use -AND. Okay, -AND also you can use it. So not only this one, so you can also use a negation operator also. So here I want to have all the files which start with name Leela and not of file. So it should not be not of file. So here I am using a not operator. So now if you try to see here, I am getting only a directory file. So like this you can also use a not operator also. So we have seen about this AND operator, not operator. Apart from this one, you can also have an what I want to tell is OR operator also. So you can also use the OR and -name. So which should have something like, so like this 0 to 9. I can use 0 to 9, and I will use the star here, star, and here also I will use the star. So now if you try to press enter, see these are all the files we are able to get it. So in this way we can use the logical operators like AND operator, NOT operator, and also the OR operator. So now here we have used about this NOT operator, right? So there is also a shortcut notation for this one, that is nothing but exclamatory. So if you use the exclamatory, then also it will work. It's not a problem. So these are the three logical operators which are available in the find operator. So you will be using this one when you are trying to do the complex find commands, complex find queries. When you are trying to do it, this will be useful. So that is, one is AND operator, OR operator, and also the NOT logical operators. So these are the 3 things which will be available in the find method. So hope you understood about this accessing, filtering the files using the modification times, access time, and also the change time. And also we have seen about the logical operators available in the find operation, find method also. Hope you understood about this concept. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.